In less than 24 hours is going to be one of the biggest days for cryptocurrencies this year, and it's going to determine how the crypto market is going to be moving, whether bullish or bearish, for the next couple of months. So you're going to want to stick around for this video. Make sure you watch into the very end. It is a short, quick, emergency crypto video that you cannot miss. Now, if you love quick content like this in cryptocurrencies, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on it. Let me know in the comments below if you think tomorrow is going to be red or green. So getting straight into the video, I've been warning you all this entire week and this past weekend that cryptocurrencies are going to experience a lot of volatility, and they certainly have experienced a lot of volatility, a lot of bearish volatility, unfortunately. We have been pretty much bleeding out since the 7th of July, which is late last week, and we were looking very bullish. We were breaking out looking very bullish, but the fear and panic and expectation of what is going to be happening tomorrow is pricing in this current crash. It's causing the market crash to dump as it is. I did not expect a crash to this magnitude so quickly from just for the fear of what's happening tomorrow. And what is happening tomorrow is going to be the CPI data, where the inflation reports are going to be read for the month of June. And analysts are expecting that this CPI report at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time to be the highest CPI reading this year and for many, many years. So a lot of people are expecting that the CPI could be close to 9%. So that inflation is up to 9% this year already in just the month of June. So very interesting, and the expectations of that is causing cryptos to crash. Usually if there's an expected event and a particular outcome of or at an expected event, you will see that things will start to get priced in before the event happens, and that's what's happening now. So that means tomorrow, with everything potentially already being priced in with the CPI, we could actually get a bounce or a big move in a bullish way tomorrow. But here is the thing. Let me show you this. So this chart right here, thanks to a guy named Bobby, is pointing out every single CPI reading, the last 3 readings actually, and what cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin has done. And what we can see is that 2 out of the last 3 times we actually saw the beginning of an uptrend taking place after the CPI. Now, the previous CPI, we saw a capitulation. We pretty much saw a capitulation where Bitcoin was trading around 32,000, 30,000, and of course dumped to 17,000 in just 10 days time. But that, of course, we were at that particular time period 1 month ago. We were having all of these insolvency issues with these cryptocurrency companies and massive liquidations taking place. And honestly, that really did not have too much to do with the CPI, but it's just kind of like bad timing. So we have noticed that a lot of drops were priced in before the CPI, and CPI was actually the day where things began to go up, even though the numbers were bad. So we could see that again tomorrow, as we have been seeing a pretty crazy dump the last several days in a row. So something to be aware of and to understand that tomorrow is going to cause a lot of volatility. So depending on what is said tomorrow, depending on the numbers, we're going to see either some big crashes. We could be trading sideways. Nobody knows, but if the CPI numbers are very high, do expect a big crash. If the CPI numbers are under expectations, do expect a big pump in the cryptocurrency market and the stock market. So I just want to warn you all that there is some more volatility going to be headed here very, very soon, in less than 24 hours. This is going to be determining the crypto market very, very soon. But as of right now, just taking a look at the charts, we are getting a decent bounce this morning. The first bounce we have had since the 7th of July. We really have not had much of a bounce at all. Been pretty much just going straight down without any bouncing. So nice to see a bounce right now. But is this bounce going to be short-lived? Is it a little just a temporary bounce and we're just going to continue to go down? We will not know. But if we do break these support levels for Bitcoin at 19,500, if we go below that, I do expect to see further movement to the downside, and the next major support level is going to be about 19,300. Then under that is going to be about 18,600. So we have some pretty big support levels, but cryptocurrencies are still holding up strong despite the crazy fear, panic, and volatility due to tomorrow's CPI reading. Now, if you want to get access to buy and sell alerts and know when to sell before crashes happen, go ahead and join the Patreon, especially tier 3, where we put stop losses and we do buy alerts and sell alerts, where we are making money even while the market is bearish overall, even while the market is trading sideways. We are making money. So go ahead and join tier 3 in the Patreon. And if you guys want a great platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, go ahead and use Bybit down in my video description. You can claim over a $4,000 deposit bonus right now. And there's free trading fees right now by using my link. Highly recommend it. Stay tuned for my video tonight, which I will be releasing around 7 p.m. Eastern time. And I will see you all later. Have a great one.